Hello guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we will talk about the clone stamp tool. So we add the image we will work on. We unlock its layer. Now we will use the clone stamp tool to clone this object right here, this strawberry bowl. So we select the tool and we set its size. Then we go to this object and we press Alt from the keyboard until I get this symbol. Then we click and we move the mouse right here. Then I click on the mouse and I keep pressing until I draw the whole object. Keep pressing on the mouse until you finish the whole object. And here we cloned this strawberry bowl in a simple and easy way. Now we work on a different image. I will clone this leaf right here. Now I unlock the image layer and then I press Alt from the keyboard. Then I click on the leaf to get this symbol. Then I move the mouse to this empty space and I press and keep pressing until I draw the entire leaf. Same thing if you want to clone this little leaf. I click Alt from the keyboard until I get this symbol, then I click with the mouse. I move the mouse to an empty space, then I click on the mouse and I keep pressing until I draw the entire object. Same thing to all the other objects. For example, this leaf right here. As I said, we click Alt from the keyboard until we get that symbol. Then we move the mouse into an empty space, then we draw the object. And as I said, we keep pressing on the mouse until we finish the whole object. Now we move to work on another image. We will clone this boat in here. We unlock the image layer, then we select the clone tool and we set its size. Then using the same way I clone the boat, I click Alt from the keyboard until I get the symbol I told you about. Then while still clicking Alt, I click the mouse over the boat, like this. Then I release Alt and the mouse. Then I move to the space and I click and keep clicking until I draw the whole boat. Like this. We keep pressing on the mouse until we draw the whole object, and in this case it's the boat. We cloned the boat easily and without any problems. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.